Okay, so we have given a body, so we have applied our background color aquamarine to our simple one. So what we are going to do, we are going to save the application and we are going to just load our application here. You could see this is a sample paragraph and it has applied the color aquamarine. So what we are going to, so this is the basic application where we can do the styling of everything. So why the CSS is important here? So do we use the CSS on our daily application creation? So there is an important website. Okay, this is SAP UI5 demo kit website. This is very important as a it should be a one point where you can learn everything here. Okay, so what we are going to do is, so here you could see no appearance. You can see the appearance. Okay, light. You can see appearance is a dark. Okay, could you see the difference? Okay, we'll get into the documentation. And it will be, see, when giving light, you could see the light, and dark, you could see the dark side. So here, high contrast black. You could see the difference now. So this is the effectiveness of the application will be comes under the CSS. Okay, you could see. So these are inbuilt UI theme designers where developers apply. We can use this into our application and you can get a clear understanding of why you're using CSS and what is the important thing using CSS. Even if your company, there are some rare kind of application, they need to implement a custom CSS in your application. If that time you would if you have a basic understanding of CSS, you can easily create that. So that is the point why I have taught you the CSS. So I think this is enough to get into UI5 and understand the themes applied in our application. Okay, I hope you understood clear understanding of CSS and different types of selectors over here, and the two types of declaring like external inline declaration, everything. So I think good to go with the next phase. Okay. Thank you. Bye.